Vinita ma'am, hi ma'am. Manisha ma'am, hi. Santosh ma'am, hi. Without any further delays, we will get into the video. So today I have got linen sari and the Bengal cotton sari with the sequins and pretty chapa collection in a kalamkari and bagru and ajrak prints. So these all the saris I brought for today's live show. Anu ma'am, hi ma'am. Bulbul ma'am, hi. Very good evening. First sari, it's your beautiful linen sari with the embroidery. So this linen is blended with the mild tissue. It's a cotton blended with the linen, and one thread is blended with the tissue. A shining look is there in the sari. The shine is there in the sari. You can check the shine. So I'll show you in a single pleat. So that's your single pleat of the linen sari. So this sari has got beautiful embroidery. Small teeny embroidery on your body. So that's your baby pink color, and this sari carries a short chick pallu concept. So this is the pallu for this sari with a matte finish zari. So either side you will get this matte finish zari. So one side the border will be small border, looking beautiful. Thank you Ratnamani ma'am, very nice combination. Thank you Sukanya ma'am. Samata ma'am, hello ma'am. Good to see you. Thank you Asifa ma'am. Received 3 Leheriya, it's very beautiful. Thank you Kalpana Singh ma'am. Hi Maya Devi ma'am. So that's your first sari with the matte finish zari and the baby pink color. It's a beautiful color with a chit pallu and the tassels done on your sari, and this sari carries a self color tissue blended blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece for this sari. The gold tissue is blended on your blouse piece. So that's the look of blouse piece. So I'll show you in a double layer, so then you can identify the texture. So that's the texture of the blouse piece. It's a tissue blended blouse piece, and that's your matte zari for your sleeves. So that's the combination of first sari. It's a linen blended with the cotton, and a one thread of tissue is blended in your sari. 1299 free shipping is the price. So that's your beautiful linen sari. 1299 free shipping is the price. Swati ma'am, hi ma'am. Shanu ma'am, hi ma'am. Thank you Anuradha ma'am. Aradhana ma'am, thank you so much ma'am. Looking very pretty. Thank you Ashifa ma'am. So that's your beautiful ice green color sari. It's a pastel green. So otherwise we can use a trendy word, ice green. Yeah. So that's your ice green color sari, and this sari carries a chit pallu in a self color with a matte finish zari on your pallu. The tassels, a contrast tassels have been done on your sari. Alternate tassels done, and the self color blouse piece. It's a tissue blended blouse piece. That's your sari number 2, 1299 free shipping. Okay. So that's the look of your sari number 2. It's a beautiful sari. So all the saris in pastel shades today. 3. Sari number 3, it's a grey, it's a ice grey. So grey will be a normal word for grey. This sari is pastel grey. So I can say ice grey. Ice grey color sari with a beautiful embroidery on your whole sari. The whole sari carries this beautiful embroidery. Superb sari. Thank you Sheila ma'am. Laji ma'am, hi ma'am. My blouse. Ma'am, I'll show some other velvet blouses. And I have a good news for you. So everyone is waiting for the exclusive show. So I have received the product. So probably Sunday I am planning for exclusive show. So after this sari I will show one piece of the sari. You guys have to guess the price of the sari. It's a pure soft silk. One thing, we are not giving the silk mark tag. If you want handloom tag, so I can arrange the handloom tag for the sari. You have to guess the price. I'll show after this sari. Okay. So that's your grey sari with the chit pallu. And this sari carries a self color blouse piece. Sari number 3. Yeah, sari number 3, 1299 free shipping is the price. Maria ma'am, I didn't get you. Thank you for the complimentary, Maria ma'am. Jewellery ma'am, time, there is no time ma'am. Today hurry burry I got ready. Even I don't get time to comb my hair. Sandhya ma'am, hi ma'am. Saranya, எனக்கு அந்த box, soft silk box, எனக்கு ஒரு ரெண்டு color, yes. So that's your sari number 3, 1299 free shipping. So before that, I'll show you the silk sari, what I have received today. 1 minute. அப்படியே கொடுங்க. சுஜாதா அப்படியே கொடுங்க. So that's your pure pattu sari. So you guys have to guess the price. So what would be the price? So anyways, if you go to the shopping mall and if you check the product price, I will reveal the product MRP. So outside product MRP I will be revealing. So 12,000 is the price of the sari. In showrooms, if you because I'm 100% I know what is the price, what is the MRP of this saree. 12,000 is the MRP. 12,000 change is the MRP because last week also I have visited one showroom. I don't want to reveal the name of the showrooms. Okay, I have visited 2 to 3 showrooms and the price is 12k. 12k change. No ma'am, it's a pure pattu saree, Savi ma'am. It's a pure pattu saree. It's a pure silk. COD no ma'am, COD to nahi hai. No ma'am, it's a pure silk. Pure silk MRP is 12,000. So last time I have committed with you guys that I'm bringing the exclusive show. So like weekly once I'll be doing one exclusive show for Kanjipuram silk. Shanta ma'am, 8 to 9k is little high ma'am. So as I promised, I'll give you half of the rate. Half of the rate the Nidarshana is going to give. So just imagine what would be the price. 12 change is the MRP for this saree. Okay, this is your pure pattu saree. Okay, you can check the closer details of the fabric. So anyway, Sunday I am planning for one exclusive show. So I have got beautiful color charts. So this is green. This is beautiful sapphire green. I have pretty 10 color charts available in this pattu saree collection. Okay, one session Sunday I will be planning by 11 o'clock. Soumya ma'am, you are nearing to the price. Yes, 6k change. So we gonna give for 6k change. Exact price I will tell you by Sunday show. Okay, so the good news has revealed today. As I promised, I'll be giving the half of the price. A pure silk, you can go anywhere and check the quality of the saree. Okay, I'm 100% guarantee for this saree. It's a pure silk saree. So we are giving for half of the rate. The contract we signed, so what we have signed is weekly I can able to give 10 to 20 sarees. Weekly 10 to 20 sarees I can able to give you for you guys. Okay, so 6k change. So soon I'll be revealing the price at Sunday. Sunday 10 color charts I'll be showing. So grab the seriously guys. So this saree, you trust me, 12k change is the MRP for this saree. 4. Saree number 4. It's a peach color saree. Beautiful peach color with a matte finish zari. Saree number 4. Beautiful color again. All are pastel shades with a beautiful pallu. Yeah, that's the pallu. And the blouse piece. 7.5 is little high, Anjali ma'am. Yes. Some around 6.5 to 7. 6.5 to 7 around. I'm keeping the price. Yeah, that's your blouse piece. 1,299 free shipping. Yes, exact price I'll tell you by Sunday. Sunday 11 o'clock show I'll tell you the price. 1,299 free shipping. That's your saree number 4. 5. My saree is 999 ma'am. I have so many colors today. Yes ma'am, around 6.5 to 7 change. We're gonna make the price for this saree. Sheila Dev ma'am, yes ma'am, 6.5 to 7. 7 in this range only we're gonna bring for Sunday's show. Okay, that's your beautiful ice blue. It's a pastel blue. Catchy word is ice blue. Beautiful ice blue with a beautiful embroidery on your body. So this carries chit pallu. This saree carries a chit pallu with the tassels and the blouse piece. Tissue blended blouse piece for this saree. 1,299 free shipping. Usha Kumar ma'am, yes ma'am, 6,500 lende 700 kulla. So price on the fix pannala. So we are going to give in a very pretty price. Within 7k, yes Tejas ma'am, within 7k. So that's your saree number 5. 1,299 free shipping is the price. 6. Saree number 6, it's a pastel yellow. It's a lime yellow, pastel shade, very mild shade it is. Saree number 6, it's a beautiful saree number 6, it's a mild yellow color saree. So this saree carries a beautiful pallu and the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece for this saree. 1,299 free shipping is the price. That's your saree number 6. Beautiful saree. So moving to the one more linen with the gachola pattern. 7. Saree number 7. It's a very flowy linen material. The material is very flowy. The first catalog is blended with the tissue and this catalog is blended with the cotton. This linen is blended with the cotton. It's a very flowy fabric it is. Light chocolate color. The color is beautiful chocolate color and this saree carries a padding kind of zari on either side of the saree. It's a silver kind of finish. The zari is in a silver kind and that's the pallu. Again a chit pallu kind of concept. With the tassels done and that's your tissue blended blouse piece. Self color and that's your tissue blended blouse piece.
1650.
1650 is the price. 1650. Okay, 1650 is the price. So a whole sari carries embroidery of Gachola. The full sari is carrying the Gachola pattern. Only in the pleating part. This pleating part alone you will get half of the portion. Okay. So when you pleat the sari, this half of the portion you will get this Gachola pattern. Okay. That's the sari. When you pleat the sari. Okay. So that's the look of the sari. 1650 free shipping is the price for this sari. It's a beautiful light chocolate color. 8. Receive Megha Silk sari. Thank you Rekha ma'am. COD तो नहीं है मैम. COD तो नहीं है. So this is a pastel green. It's a मेहंदी में थोड़ा pastel हो रहा है color. 8. Sari number 8 is pastel green. It's a mehendi pastel green. And that's the pallu and the blouse piece. So tissue blended blouse piece for this sari. Sari number 8, 1650 free shipping. So whole sari carries this beautiful Gachola pattern embroidery. So that's the closer look of the sari. Okay, this is the closer look. So whole sari carries this embroidery. Only on the pleating portion you will get the half of the part. Oh, sari change हो गया. Priya Vinayak ma'am, to whom you ordered, please leave a message. I'll get back to you ma'am. Shampoo wash, yes, you can do a shampoo wash for this sari because the whole sari carries embroidery, so it is better to do a shampoo wash. Sari number 8, 1650 free shipping is the price.
9.
Sari number 9, it's a beautiful color. It's a mauve kind of color. एक ग्रे भी नहीं बोल सकती हूँ उसको. It's a mauve color. इसमें थोड़ा brown mix है. So it's a kind of mauve color. 9. Sari number 9. 9 number. So this is the pallu for this sari. Beautiful pallu and the blouse piece. 1650 free shipping is the price. So all the colors are very beautiful. So all are pastel shades. Sari number 9 with a beautiful Gachola embroidery. 1650 free shipping. 10. Sari number 10. Beautiful lavender color. Shipping free all over India. बबीता मैम लाइव देखने में प्रॉब्लम हो गया. क्या हुआ मैम? तो मैं तो अपलोड कर रही हूँ. यूट्यूब का जो भी किया हम लोग, तो वो पहला वाला लाइव है ना, उसको मैं डाउनलोड करके और एक बार मैं फेसबुक में भी अपलोड की थी. क्लासी सारी. थैंक यू यास्मिन. दिस इज योर ब्यूटिफुल लैवेंडर कलर सारी. ब्यूटिफुल सारी विद अ ब्यूटिफुल पल्लू एंड दिस सारी ऑल्सो कैरीज अ सेल्फ कलर टिश्यू ब्लेंडेड ब्लाउज पीस. ब्यूटिफुल सारी. 1650 फ्री शिपिंग. इट्स वेरी क्लासी. सीरियसली इट्स वेरी क्लासी.
Last 11.
Last color 11. It's a cement color. It's a grey में थोड़ा green mix है. Green and the blue जैसा थोड़ा mix है इसमें ये साड़ी में. 11. Sari number 11. So all are English colors. All the saris are English colors. 1650 free shipping is the price. Sari number 11. So that's the pallu with the tassels done. So alternate color का tassel आ जाएगा आपको. So जो color की साड़ी है उस color का tassel and then one more silver tassel is also given in this sari, and that's your self color tissue blended blouse piece. 1650 free shipping. Okay, that's the sari. That's the closer look, and that's the closer look of the tassels. एक आपको self color में आ जाएगा और एक है आपको silver color में आ जाएगा. ठीक है? That's the sari. 1650 free shipping is the price. Today I have like 63 or 64 saris now. So moving to the Maheshwari. It's a Maheshwari silk sari with a beautiful ajrak print on your body, and one side this sari carries a beautiful embroidery. So it's embroidery on one side. Okay, that's the embroidery part. Okay, one side you will get this embroidery. That's your sari number 12, and this sari carries a chit pallu again. Chit pallu with the tassels done, and that's the blouse piece for this sari. Ajrak printed on your blouse piece and the body as well. So these are prints on your sari. Price क्या है लक्ष्मी? सारी नंबर 1399 free shipping is the price.
Sari number 12.
Sari number 12, 1399 free shipping is the price. So that's your, the base color is mustard and the navy blue flowers are printed on your sari. The base color is mustard. Mustard color base with a navy blue color ajrak flowers printed on your sari.
13.
13, 13 sari number, the base color is navy blue. Saree number 13, navy blue color base with a beautiful ajrak maroon color flowers printed on your saree. That's the saree number 13 with a stitch pallu concept again. Yeah, that's the pallu. And this saree carries a blouse piece in a contrast color. In a border color, the blouse piece will come. So I can say, yeah, border color. Border color blouse piece will be coming for this saree. 1399 free shipping is the price. Thank you, Vaibhavi ma'am. Thank you so much. So one more in Maheshwari. So this saree carries a base of maroon color. Maroon base with a mustard border. So that's the saree. Saree number 14. Saree number 14. It's a maroon base. Okay. That's the saree with the chit pallu. And the mustard color blouse piece for this saree. Okay. 1399 free shipping is the price. 1399 free shipping.
15.
15. Saree number 15. 15. It's a Maheshwari ma'am. Maheshwari silk it is. It's a Maheshwari silk. 15. 15 saree number. The beautiful ajrak prints. Okay. That's the saree. So this saree carries a green color border. Okay. The salvage is in green color and the mustard color blouse piece. Saree number 14.
15.
15. Okay. That's your saree number 15. Savita ma'am, thank you ma'am. Good evening, Pushpa ma'am. Yeah, today no Georgette saree ma'am. Today no Georgette. Only linens, chapas and Maheshwari and Bengal cotton today I have. Okay, 1399. 1399 free shipping is the price. Thank you, Meena ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am.
16.
16. Moving to the chapa silk with a kalamkari body. So that's your chapa silk. I have already we already spoken about this in one of the live. 16 saree number is a chapa silk. Chapa, so this saree will be done in the state called Chhattisgarh. Chapa is also called as kosa silk. Kosa is nothing but tussar. So we have already discussed in the live regarding this saree. This is your saree number 16. 16. The base color is pink. Pink color base with a beautiful kalamkari print on your chapa silk. Okay, and this saree carries a beautiful pallu. Beautiful pallu for this saree with the tassels done, and that's the blouse piece. It's a very flowy fabric. Body mein hug hoga. So this is body hugging saree. So that's the blouse piece for this saree.
1450.
1450 free shipping is the price. So when you see this is the back side of the blouse piece. 1450 free shipping is the price. It's a very flowy saree. Material is thick material, so non-transparent. ये आपको easily flow हो जाएगा, easily blend होगा body में. 1450 free shipping. Saree number 16. All the beautiful visit during your sure Hema ma'am, sure you're always welcome.
17.
So one more in black. 17 saree number. So one more saree in chapa. So that's your 17 number. 17. The saree number is 17. It's a black color saree with a beautiful kalamkari prints, and that's the border for the saree. Yeah, this is the border on either side of the saree with a black base, and that's the pallu. Yeah, beautiful pallu and the blouse piece. Okay, this is the blouse piece for this saree. 1450 free shipping is the price.
17.
So this saree has got different tassels. Yeah, this is the tassel for the saree. You can check the tassel. This is the tassel done on your saree. 1450 free shipping is the price. This is the tassel for this saree. Saree number 17. It's a black. Okay. Saree number 18. Again a black color with a beautiful colorful prints. So this saree has got orange color border. So this border is in orange shade. I mean the either side of the border is in Fanta orange. It's a kind of Fanta orange, beautiful color. The beautiful colorful flattering prints on your saree. That's the saree with a beautiful pallu. It's a flattering color. And the blouse piece. 1450 free shipping is the price. Linen saree lavender color number piece, please. Saranya, lavender saree number in a linen.
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅದೇ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ.
ಲ್ಯಾವೆಂಡರ್ ಪಾ
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
ಇದಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೀழே
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ. ಹಾ
10 number 10 ma'am. Vijayalakshmi ma'am, the number is 10 for the lavender sari. Okay, that's your sari number 18, 1450 free shipping. That's really super. Thank you Sangeeta ma'am.
90.
Batmaja ma'am, thank you ma'am. Sari number 19, it's a beautiful maroon shade. It's a brick color. It's a brick color sari, 19 sari number, so that's your border on either side of the sari. Okay, that's your beautiful 19 number sari, and that's the pallu. Beautiful pallu. So that's the pallu for this sari, and the blouse piece. 1450 free shipping is the price. It's a very flowy material, very soft to drape material. Order method ma'am, please check the description box. For Facebook customers, please check the description box. There is a booking links in the description box. To place the orders, to just click the link to place your orders. Okay. So all are my team members. So I have given 40 plus links in the description box now. 19. Sari number 19, 1450 free shipping is the price.
20.
Sari number 20, again a black color with a beautiful pink domination is there in the sari. Beautiful pink flowers. More pink flowers is there in the sari, and a beautiful border. Small border on either side, and that's your kalamkari on your sari, and that's the pallu. So beautiful pallu and the blouse. 1450 free shipping is the price. Yeah, this is the blouse. 1450 free shipping. That's your sari number 20.
20.
Yes, sari number 20. It's a nice black color sari. महेश्वरी मेरून बॉर्डर. रेखा जी को महेश्वरी में मेरून बॉर्डर. சரண்யா மகேஸ்வரி சில்க்ல இந்த எம்ப்ராய்டரியில மெரூன் பார்டர்ல எது பாருக்கு, மஸ்டர்ட் ஒன்னு, கிரீன் ஒன்னு, மெரூன்ல என்ன இருக்குன்னு பாரு. அந்த சாரி கேக்குறாங்க திருப்பி. 12 அது கேக்குறாங்க, சாரி ஒரு தடவை காட்ட சொல்லி கேக்குறாங்க. நைஸ் கலெக்ஷன். Thank you அஞ்சலி மேம். Yeah, that's the maroon border sari ma'am. The base color is mustard. It's a mustard base with a beautiful ajrak print, and that's the maroon border for this sari. Sari number 12. It is sari number 12. Thank you Bulbul ma'am. Khani silk. Ma'am क्या होता है ma'am? I am not sure about the khani silk. ये आपको पाशमीना कैसा होता है मैम, वैसा लग रहा है मुझे. तो पाशमीना सिल्क कैसा होता है वैसा है. So but it is a chapa silk. But it is chapa. I am doing very good Chaya ma'am. Thank you ma'am. Is this heavy sari for old? No ma'am, absolutely lightweight sari. It's very lightweight sari it is. Old age people तो easily carry कर सकते हैं. बहुत soft है साड़ी. Easily you can drape the sari. वो थोड़ा मतलब बड़ों को, old people को easily carry कर सकते हो. एक दिन पूरा carry कर सकते हैं. Stuff is chapa ma'am. It's a kosa, टसर, और टसर में मिलेगा ये टसर सिल्क के साथ थोड़ा मिलता है छापा वेराइटी. लाइट वेट सारी, वेटलेस सारी दिस. ओके, दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल ब्लैक. ये आपको बहुत सोबर ब्लैक है, नॉट टू फ्लैटरिंग. दिस इज वेरी फॉर्मल ब्लैक. ये जो फ्लावर्स है ये ब्लैक के साथ तो दिए है ना कलमकरी का फ्लावर्स, ये पूरा वेरी फॉर्मल. ये बहुत फॉर्मल लग रहा है फ्लावर्स. इसमें बहुत सटल कलर की कलर्स है, कलमकरी का कलर्स. एंड दैट्स द पल्लू. Beautiful pallu and the blouse piece. Vaiti ma'am, hi ma'am. Thank you Nidhi ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am. So that's your chapa silk sari in a kalamkari print. Sari number 21, 1450 free shipping is the price. That's the sari. 10 number coming here. 10 number edupa?
20.
Lavender. Okay. Sari number 22. Sari number 22. It's a peach color sari. Again a chapa silk.
Rate to
1999 का है. Yes. So this is chapa with a beautiful prints. So this is different rate. So from this sari the rates are varying. 22 number. Sari number 22. And this sari carries a pallu. Nice pallu and the tassels done. So all the saris, the tassels has been done like this. So this is the tassels for this sari. Very pretty and classy sari. And this sari carries a beautiful blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. 1999 free shipping. This chapa is 1999 free shipping. Okay. This is 1999 free shipping. So when you drape the sari from far, It is looking like a embroidery. This saree is looking like a embroidery. 1999 free shipping is the price. Okay, that's the saree. It's a beautiful chapa silk sarees. Thank you, Vatpanavan ma'am. Thank you so much. My saree price is 999 Monalin ma'am. 999.
23, ma'am.
23. Saree number 23. It's a beautiful mauve color again. It's a mauve color with a colorful prints on your saree, and the brown color border and the brown color pallu. That's the brown color pallu and the brown color blouse piece. So you can see a kalamkari prints on your blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Okay, 1999 free shipping is the price. Saree post Amrita ma'am, saree post is very difficult to update. So anyway, we are doing the live. From the live video only you have to take the screenshot ma'am. So it is very difficult for us to give the picture updates. Yeah, that's the blouse piece. 1999 free shipping is the price. It's a beautiful saree. So these are chapa silk saree what I am showcasing right now. That's your saree number
23.
23. Saree number 23. 1999 free shipping is the price. I want saree number 6 and 16. How can I get the saree? Rani ma'am, please check the description box ma'am. In FB, in description box I have given the link. In Instagram, we have given the phone numbers. The dealer's phone number has been given in the Instagram. It's a WhatsApp number. You can check with any of the dealer's numbers. How to book the saree after live? Ma'am, please check the description box ma'am. In FB, so come out from the video. In my page, just above my video, there is a description box. Please check the description box to book the sarees. Okay, that's your saree number 24. It's a beautiful saree. लग रहा है कि पिछवाई का कॉन्सेप्ट जैसा, बट नॉट. बट ये जो लोटस का फ्लावर है, लग रहा है कि पिछवाई जैसा. 24. Saree number 24. It's a beautiful saree. The base color is light brown color saree. Light brown with a cream color combination. That's the combination. Beautiful combination, and that's the blouse piece. It's a light brown color blouse piece. 1999 free shipping is the price. My blouse material is velvet ma'am. 24. That's your saree number 24. 1999 free shipping is the price.
25.
25. Saree number 25. Again a nice kalamkari prints on your chapa silk. Okay, so this saree carries a nice kalamkari print. The navy blue base. Navy blue with a maroon base. Wonderful saree. I'm seeing so many thumbs up for the sarees. Okay, that's the pallu. Beautiful pallu. And the blouse piece. Maroon blouse piece for this saree. 1999 free shipping is the price. आज तो 900 के बिलो नहीं है मैम. आज तो पूरा थोड़ा हाई रेंज की साड़ी है. This is chapa silk. 1999 free shipping. Nice, I have purchased also. Thank you Renu ma'am. Thank you so much. So that's your kalamkari saree, navy blue color. 1999 free shipping.
26.
26. It's a light mustard color saree. Again one more kalamkari in a light mustard. 26 saree number. Saree number 26 with a beautiful red color border. Yeah, the border is in red color. Beautiful kalamkari prints on your light mustard base. And that's the pallu. Beautiful mustard color pallu. आज तो नहीं है मनीषा मैम सिफॉन साड़ी. मैं आगे से दिखाऊंगी सिफॉन साड़ी. Okay, that's the blouse piece. 1999 free shipping is the price. Saree number 26. It's a beautiful saree in 26 number. Mustard, light mustard color. Thank you Bhumika ma'am.
27.
27. It's a navy blue color saree. एनिमल फिगर्स तो कलमकरी में नहीं है मैम. इसमें पूरा फ्लावर्स ही है. आप एक बार कंफर्म कर लीजिए ना. जो भी नंबर आपको बुक करना है, प्लीज कंफर्म विद मी वंस अगेन. आपको मैं बता दूंगी फिगर्स है क्या नहीं. 27. सारी नंबर 27. इट्स अ डार्क नेवी ब्लू विद अ मेरून कॉम्बिनेशन. ब्यूटिफुल मेरून with a navy blue combo, and that's the pallu. Beautiful pallu and the maroon color blouse piece. 1999 free shipping is the price. Saree number 27.
28.
28 with a nice bagru print. 28 saree number. The base color is light grey. The dark grey color bagru prints on your saree. So what we are seeing is beautiful chapa silk saree with a kalamkari print and the bagru print. Okay, that's your bagru printed saree. And that's the pallu. Yeah. So that's the tassels done on your pallu. So all the saree carries this beautiful tassel. Okay, that's the saree. Okay. And this saree has got nice bagru printed blouse piece. 1999 free shipping is the price. Very flowy saree it is. In a chapa silk. 1999 free shipping. ब्लाउज पीस शो करो मैम वेलवेट वाली। प्रतिभा मैम और एक दिन मैं करती हूँ ना मैम, आज पूरा साड़ी का पूरा सेटिंग हो गया है, मैं और एक दिन डेफिनेटली आई डू। सो इसमें फिगर है, ये साड़ी में फिगर है, ब्यूटीफुल पीकॉक की फिगर है इसमें। सो नेवी ब्लू, या नेवी ब्लू विद अ ब्यूटीफुल पीकॉक प्रिंट्स ऑन योर साड़ी। सो ब्यूटीफुली डन, इट्स अ पीकॉक्स beautifully done on your sari. Beautiful sari in a navy blue, and that's the pallu. It's beautiful pallu for this sari and navy blue color blouse piece. 1999 free shipping is the price. Okay, sari number 29. So beautiful sari, sari number 29. Okay, that's the sari. Summer friendly, yes Sangeeta ma'am, no doubt. 30. ये क्या है, पल्लू है? ये इतना पूरा पल्लू है क्या? ये साड़ी पूरा ऐसा है?
ऐसा ही है
हाँ, ये पाटली पल्लू जैसा लग रहा है।
पल्लू शॉर्ट वही।
यस, पाटली पल्लू। सो दिस साड़ी इज पाटली पल्लू साड़ी। इसको ओपन करना है मुझे, जल्दी समझ में आएगा। दिस इज पाटली पल्लू। सो व्हेन यू ड्रेप द साड़ी, सो दिस चेस्ट पोर्शन यू विल गेट दिस पैटर्न। ये वाला वर्टिकल लाइंस का पैटर्न है, ये आपको चेस्ट पोर्शन में आएगा। ठीक है, ये आपका पल्लू है। सो दिस इज द फ्लोरल पल्लू फॉर दिस साड़ी विद द टासल्स। एंड व्हेन यू प्लीट द साड़ी, आप ये जो प्लीट करेंगे ना, वहां पे आपको ऐसा फ्लावर का प्लीटिंग आ जाएगा। इट्स अ पार्टली पल्लू काइंड ऑफ साड़ी। आप ये जो प्लीट करेंगे ना, आप ये जो प्लीट करेंगे तो आपको इधर लाइंस आ जाएगा, इधर ये वाला आ जाएगा, पार्टली पल्लू जैसा है। ओके, दैट्स द साड़ी, साड़ी नंबर 30। साड़ी नंबर 30। ये जो फ्लावर्स है आपको पल्लू में मतलब प्लीटिंग में आ जाएगा। सो दिस इज द फ्लावर्स इन द प्लीट, इट विल कम, एंड दैट्स द लाइंस व्हेन यू ड्रेप द साड़ी, इट विल कम ऑन योर चेस्ट पोर्शन। इसका ब्लाउज पीस देखो, दिस इज द ब्लाउज पीस फॉर दिस साड़ी। ओके, एकदम कॉन्ट्रास्ट कॉम्बिनेशन। मैम सीओडी तो नहीं है कविता मैम। सो 1999 फ्री शिपिंग इज द प्राइस। कलमकरी लाइव का यूट्यूब नहीं मिल रहा है मैम। हम लोग किए थे कल परसों किए थे कलमकरी का, फुल कलमकरी का। यस, मंडे किए थे क्या? ट्यूसडे, परसों क्या है? ट्यूसडे मैम, ट्यूसडे वी हैव डन द कलमकरी मैम। लूपी मैम, वेरी गुड इवनिंग। PP is 1999 मैम। दिस इज प्योर छापा सिल्क साड़ी, प्योर छापा in ajrak and bagru and kalamkari. So what I'm showcasing for today's show, mix of chapa, chapa in ajrak, bagru and kalamkari. That's the pallu, and a beautiful black color blouse piece for this saree. 1999 free shipping is the price. 31. Saree number 31. The base is black with a beautiful mustard brown color combination. 1999 free shipping is the price.
32.
Saree number 32. It's a cream color. It's a dark cream color saree with a grey mix. Cream and the grey mix saree in a nice bagru prints. 32. Saree number 32. Yeah, that's the saree. Okay. And this saree carries a self color pallu. Contrast नहीं है, self color की पल्लू है. Good evening, Mansi ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. So that's the blouse piece for this saree. 1999 free shipping is the price. So what we are seeing is a pure chapa silk saree. 1999 free shipping.
33.
Saree number 33. It's a brown color saree. Beautiful brown. So for the dark colors, who love the dark colors, for them it will be a good choice. 33. Saree number 33. It's a dark brown color saree in a nice bagru prints, and that's the pallu. Pallu for this saree and the blouse piece. It's a checks pattern blouse piece for this saree. 1999 free shipping is the price. Okay, beautiful saree. When you drape the saree will be like this. Very beautiful it is. The color is so beautiful.
34.
34. One more bagru. The mustard shade. Black floral with pink border. Chapa. Ma'am. So in which range, ma'am? 1450 range also I have showed. 1999 also I have showed. In which range, Bulbul ma'am? Black floral with pink border. Like Sanya. Black floral with pink border. Chapala. ये दिन पारपा मेरी जो साड़ी में पहनी हूँ 999 वाली है मैम, 999 की साड़ी है. सो दैट्स द ब्यूटीफुल मस्टर्ड with a nice bagru print, and that's the pallu and the blouse piece. 1999 free shipping is the price. 14 वाली, okay मैम मैं देखने के लिए बोलती हूँ. 14 वाली 35 saree number 35. It's a navy blue color saree, navy blue base with a blue color flowers. It's a light turquoise blue, the base is navy blue. Beautiful saree again with the, ये जो है ना जरी का बॉर्डर नहीं है, दिस इज नॉट जरी बॉर्डर, दिस इज अ प्रिंट. ये प्रिंट जैसा जरी जैसा लग रहा है, बट दिस इज अ प्योरली अ बागरू प्रिंटेड साड़ी. ओके, छापा में बागरू प्रिंट्स. या दैट्स द लुक ऑफ द साड़ी व्हेन यू ड्रेप द साड़ी. ओके, ये जो साड़ी का पल्ला है ऐसा आ जाएगा आपको सेल्फ में, सेल्फ कलर का पल्लू, एंड दैट्स द ब्लाउज पीस, द फ्लोरल पैटर्न ब्लाउज पीस. 1999 फ्री शिपिंग इज द प्राइस. दिस इज 1999. मैम ब्लाउज ये जो फॉर नॉट फॉर सेल मैम प्रीति मैम, सो दिस ब्लाउज इज नॉट फॉर सेल. या ब्लू कलर साड़ी, बागरू प्रिंट. या दिस इज ब्लू मैम. विच ब्लू मैम? डार्क नेवी ब्लू. बागरू में ब्लू. சரண்யா பாகுரு பிரிண்ட்லயும் ப்ளூ கேக்குறாங்க. ஆமா ஆமா, பாகுரு வந்து எல்லாமே 1999. ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் 1999 फ्री शिपिंग. ब्लू वाली साड़ी
ಇವತ್ತು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ 36.
इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल टी ग्रीन.
मैम कौन सी कलर?
ब्लैक में पिंक, ब्लैक्ல பிங்க் பா. 1450 ல ஃப்ளோரல் பேட்டர்ன்ல ரெண்டு பிளாக் இருந்தது. அதுல ஒரு பிங்க் மட்டும் ரொம்ப ப்ரொஜெக்டடா இருந்தது. ஐ மீன் ரொம்ப அது கிடையாது சரண்யா, அது எல்லாமே 1950. ஏல ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுறது எல்லாம் 1999. ஏல ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது, சீல ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும் பார். சீல ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது எல்லாம் 1450. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி கேட்டலாக் அது. This is a teal green color saree. Material is chapa silk ma'am. Material is chapa silk saree. This is a teal green color saree in a beautiful bagru print. Again, that's your teal green. The color is teal green. That's the pallu and the blouse piece. Beautiful color. 1999 free shipping is the price. Yes, my shop address is there in the FB page. You can just Google Nidarshana sarees. Yeah, that's the look of saree number
36.
36. Saree number 36. 1999 free shipping.
சரியா குடி.
அதுல வந்து பிங்க் சரண்யா கையில வச்சிருக்க பாத்தீங்களா, அதான் பிங்க். Beautiful ajrak print again. So this is your beautiful ajrak print. So that's your sober color. The color is very sober. The base color is grey with a beautiful kind of Mickey color, Mickey pink color ajrak print on your saree. So that's the complete look of the saree. And this saree carries a beautiful black color pallu. Beautiful pallu with the tassels with, on black color, and that's the black color blouse piece. 1999 free shipping. Yeah, this is 1999 free shipping is the price. This is chapa silk, pure chapa silk, whatever. So we are seeing right now is yeah. Bulbul ma'am, you only asked me the black with the pink, right ma'am? So this is black with the pink. So that's the saree number 20. Saree number 20 it is. 1450, saree number 20. This is pink, black base. 38. It's a maroon. So maroon with a light kesar color combination. So maroon, and this part, this color is kesar, little dark kesar, and the maroon color base. That's the saree in a beautiful bagru again, and that's the pallu. And this saree carries a beautiful blouse piece. Okay, this is the blouse piece for this saree. 1999 free shipping is the price. Ye last hai na?
ये last.
So this is maroon base. This is maroon base saree. 1999 free shipping. So that's your chapa silk saree.
Last.
So last color in chapa, again a turquoise blue with a dark blue color combination. Yeah, turquoise with a dark blue color combination with a checks pattern body, and that's your contrast pallu. So dark blue color pallu and the beautiful blouse piece. 1999 free shipping is the price. Yeah, this is the blouse piece for this saree. 1999 free shipping. Vani ma'am, very good evening ma'am. So that's the saree. 1999 free shipping. Saree number 39. 39 saree number. 1999 free shipping.
40.
So moving to the Bengal cotton saree, what I am draping today. This saree carries a beautiful thread work and the sequence work on the whole saree. The whole saree will get this sequence. Okay, this sequence work will come on your whole saree. So semi-transparent. This saree is semi-transparent. So when you drape the saree, so seriously, I am draping the saree. You cannot see the transparency. So the saree is so beautiful. This is your Bengal cotton saree. Okay. So this is your Bengal cotton saree. Only on the pallu you will get a zari work. Okay. This pallu portion you will get this zari work. So that's the saree. It's full of sequence. Okay. That's your saree number. 40. 40. Saree number is 40. Okay. That's your dark blue. Lakshmi, एक दो color खोलो, बाकी ऐसे देखेंगे. This is Pepsi blue, midnight blue or Pepsi blue. It's a beautiful dark color chart. Okay, with a full of thread work. So this lines, the vertical lines of thread work and the sequence work is there in the saree. Okay. So this saree carries a beautiful sequence work. The dark Pepsi blue color saree number 40. 40 saree number with the self color blouse piece. That's the pallu for this saree. Beautiful zari woven pallu with the tassels done. And this saree carries a self color blouse piece. If you want, you can go for the contrast blouse. So you can match this saree with the contrast pink. Dark rani or magenta, you can mix and match up for this saree. Saree number 40. Beautiful color. Saree number 40.
41.
41. Saree number 41. It's a teal color. Yeah. So teal green. The color is teal green. Beautiful color. Teal green में आएगा, teal blue में आएगा. Teal blue. The color is teal blue with a big temple woven on your saree. Temple towers woven on your saree. So that's your lower border. Big temple woven, and that's your upper side. Big temples woven on your saree. And this saree carries a beautiful pallu. The lines pallu. Okay, the pallu having the small lines. And that's your self color blouse piece. So as I said, if you want, you can go for a contrast blouse. Like pink blouse also looks nice for this saree. Teal blue with the pink combination is also very nice for this saree. Saree number 41. Saree number 41, 999 free shipping. 999 free shipping is the price. So in the same temple border, I have a pure white color saree.
52. Sorry, 42.
42. Saree number 42, it's a pure white color saree with a big temple woven. Okay, that's the back woven of the saree. This is the back portion of the saree. Okay, it's a woven saree, and this is the pallu part, and self color white color blouse piece will come for this saree. Okay, so that's the saree. When you take the saree, saree number 42. 42. It's a white color saree. 999 free shipping is the price.
43.
इसमें क्या बॉर्डर है? टेम्पल.
हाँ, टेम्पल नहीं, पहले दिखाए ना.
नहीं, थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आएगा ना. टेम्पल, ये भी टेम्पल समझेगी.
ठीक है.
Okay. So this is a light blue color saree. The same pattern in Bengal cotton. It's beautiful. The material is thick. Thick material it is with the sequence, and that's the pallu. बाकी पूरा यही डिजाइन है ना.
हाँ मैम, पूरा रहेगा.
This is the pallu and a self color blouse piece for this saree. 999 free shipping is the price. It's a beautiful turquoise blue color saree. It's a Rama blue. It's a Rama blue color saree with a beautiful thread and the sequence work. Okay, 999 free shipping.
44.
44. Saree number 44. I have a different kinds of blue. So light, pink. So Rani, magenta, and one more dark Rani. So three kind of pinks available for today's show in Bengal cotton, and that's your light pink. Light pink color saree. Saree number 44. 44. Saree number 44. No temple tower buttas. So आपको body जो है plain है, उसके साथ thread work के साथ sequence आ जाएगा. Only the pallu carries this zari work. Okay, ये zari work आपको पल्ला में आ जाएगा. So that's the sequence on your pallu. 999 free shipping is the price. The color is bright pink. Okay. So one more color. ये आपको differentiation करती हूँ मैं कैसा है ये pink. ये थोड़ा dark pink है. ये है रानी, light रानी है. So in the Rani, this is little dark side. So this is dark color Rani. 999 free shipping is the price. Okay, that's the saree. 999 free shipping is the price. Saree number is 45. 45. इसका number है 45. So this is 44. और एक color वो भी दिखा.
46.
46 ये थोड़ा मतलब ऐसा है. थोड़ा red जैसा नहीं है. So please differentiate the colors. So this is a light pink. This is one shade darker than this color. This is two shades darker than this pink. There are 3 pinks available. You can just differentiate the colors. So आप दूर से देखेंगे ना उतना differentiation तो नहीं आएगा आपको, difference पता नहीं चलेगा. So this is a reddish kind of pink it is. This is proper magenta. I mean the Rani pink. This is light pink. 999 free shipping is the price. 42 है ना?
47, 46, 45, 44.
44, 45 and then this is 46.
47.
47 it's a maroon color saree. So what I'm draping is a red color saree. ये भी वही है,
red
वही है, red जैसा है. So this is red. It's looking like a red. Tint of maroon is there in the saree. So this is proper maroon. Proper bindi का color है. This is proper bindi की color है. 999 free shipping. Saree number क्या है ये?
47.
47. That's your saree number 47. It's a Bengal cotton saree with the sequence work. Zari woven pallu and the sequence and the thread work on your whole body. 999 free shipping is the price.
48.
Saree number 48. It's a green color saree. Beautiful grass green color saree. And this saree carries a woven pallu and the sequence work on your whole saree. 999 free shipping. Saree number 48. है ना?
48.
48. Saree number 48. This is little dark green. So one more green also I have. This is little light green.
49.
49 थोड़ा light green है. So you can check the color. So this is little dark green and this is little light green. 999 free shipping is the price. ये 49 है क्या?
A 48, A 49.
Okay, this is 48 and this is 49. 48 and 49. 999 free shipping is the price.
50.
50. और जिनको हल्दी के फंक्शन के लिए यूज करना है, प्लीज गो फॉर दिस साड़ी. येलो, especially for the haldi. You can go for this saree. So very apt for the haldi. I have one more for the haldi as well. One more color. This is your mango yellow. थोड़ा little flattering yellow है. Not subtle yellow. This is little flattering. Saree number
50. 50.
50. Saree number 50. 999 free shipping is the price. इसका जो thread है ना, वो ऊपर उठा रहा है. Cotton.
51.
Yes, this is 51. Saree number 51 is a dark purple shade. The dark purple shade saree. Saree number 51. Yeah, that's the saree. 999 free shipping is the price. Georgette brasso. आपको चाहिए क्या मैम? बबीता मैम, I'll do one show for Georgette brasso. If you want, I can do. है Georgette brasso तो है मेरे पास. I'll do one. This is Mickey pink. It's a flattering pink. Mickey pink. ये proper pink नहीं है. It's a Mickey pink. Flattering pink. It's a candy pink kind of color it is. It's a candy pink. 999 free shipping. Okay, that's your candy pink color saree. So teal blue. Again one more teal blue and a dark shade. Teal blue में थोड़ा dark shade है. 999 free shipping is the price. Okay. So one more in dark blue.
453, 54.
54 कर दो. 54. So this is 54. One more in teal blue, but there is a light variation in the saree. This is proper teal blue. Teal color, teal blue, and this is blue color, little light color, lighter than the previous shade. 40,
53,
53, and this is 54. Yeah. This is 53 and this is 54. You can check the color variation. Okay, this is the color variation on this saree. 999 free shipping is the price.
55.
55 royal blue. Saree number 55. It's a royal blue color saree. 999 free shipping is the price. Okay.
56.
56. It's a peacock green. The color is beautiful peacock green color saree. 999 free shipping. So this saree carries a temple border. हाँ. So this saree carries a temple border. Saree number क्या है बताओ इसका?
56.
56. Saree number 56. It's a peacock green color saree with a beautiful temple border on either side of the saree. Okay, when you drape the saree will be like this. It's a peacock green color saree. 999 free shipping. Dark mehendi. So this is not subtle mehendi. This is dark mehendi. Saree number 57. 999 free shipping is the price.
58.
58. One more for the haldi. So I have two yellows. This is a different yellow. So previous wala is different yellow and this is different yellow. 999 free shipping. So this is apt for your haldi. 999 free shipping. And one more in a dark kesar color. Not Fanta. This is dark kesar 59. Saree number 59 is dark kesar. 999 free shipping is the price. The saree carries a full of sequins and the thread work on your whole body.
60.
60 grass green color sari number 60. It's a grass green, 999 free shipping is the price. Okay, this is the sari when you drape the sari. 999 free shipping, sari number is 60.
61.
61 मैं जो पहनी हूँ वही साड़ी है क्या? नहीं ये थोड़ा डिफरेंट लग रहा है, वही है नहीं लक्ष्मी, थोड़ा मिलता है ना. ओके, क्या नंबर है?
61.
61 sari number 61, the one what I am draping today. 61 sari number 61, it's a blood red color. Okay, it's a blood red. 61 sari number, 999 free shipping.
62.
62, it's a jet black color sari. Which one ma'am sold out? Oh okay. कितना सेट अपडेट करने के लिए बोली?
किस में मैम?
और लिनन में दो सेट.
हाँ,
पहला
डबल
डबल. मैम लेट मी चेक मैम. प्लीज गिव मी सम टाइम. आफ्टर द लाइव आई विल चेक.
फर्स्ट कैटलॉग, सेकंड कैटलॉग.
मैम वो जो छापा में तो रिस्टॉकिंग नहीं होगा मैम. वो रिस्टॉकिंग होगा तो भी बहुत ज्यादा दिन लगेगा, 15 डेज तो लगेगा छापा में रिस्टॉक करने के लिए. अगर ये जो लिनन और ये जो बंगाल की साड़ी ये सब है ना, आपको फटाफट रिस्टॉक कर दूंगी मैं. सो दिस इज ब्लैक, ब्यूटीफुल ब्लैक, 999 फ्री शिपिंग.
63.
This is 63 saree number 63. It's a cement color. It's a light grey color saree. கொஞ்சம் வால்யூம் ரெடியூஸ் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. Cement color is a grey color saree, 999 free shipping. What's the number which you wore? वो जो आगे गया है
वाला.
ये क्या नंबर है उसके पहले ही ना?
63, 62, 61.
61 मैम. My saree 61 number. 61 number I'm draping.
Last 64.
Last color of today's show, it's a dark navy. So next to the black, dark navy, 999 free shipping is the price. Yeah, that's all for today's show. So we have showed almost 63 sarees today. 64 sarees. Okay. For the Facebook viewers, you can just check the description box to book the sarees. And for the Instagram viewers, we have given a 10 booking numbers, WhatsApp numbers to book your sarees. For the YouTube viewers, we will be uploading the video very shortly along with the booking links. So that's all for today. So tomorrow, if possible, I can make a part 2 video of same this linen collection. Okay. Until then, this is Lakshmi signing off now. Bye bye. Take care.